Lesson 18, how to use extend command. First, draw two parallel lines and two inclined lines of any length. Okay, let's draw two parallel lines. I am going to line, and I draw one line over here of this distance and press enter. Again, another line somewhere up here and press enter. Then I'm also going to draw an inclined line of any angle, any distance, somewhere like here, press enter, and one more line maybe somewhere here of any angle and any distance, maybe somewhere here, and press enter. Okay, so I have two parallel lines and two inclined lines. Now I have to extend these two inclined lines so that they go and meet the top parallel line. So for that I have to use the extend command. Now where is the extend command? The extend command is just below trim. This is extend command. Okay, I click extend, and the first thing AutoCAD asks me, if you see carefully at your command area, select boundary edge. Yes, so this becomes my boundary edge. I click the boundary edge and press enter. Then it asks me to select the lines that need to be extended. So I click this line, but a little up, it shoots up, and this line also I click and press enter.